So hello and welcome to STChat. This is my first YouTube tutorial. So if you like my tutorial then please subscribe my channel and like my video. So in this video I am going to show you how to make a login box login form like this as shown in this screen. So we are going to use HTML, CSS and Bootstrap to create a login form like this. So without wasting any time, let's get started towards our video. Here I have opened Visual Studio Code Editor and I have created two files. First is login.html and second is style.css. So mainly we are not going to use style.css. Let me delete it first. We are going to use HTML file. So let's create a basic structure. To do this, go to www.getbootstrap.com. So here you will find some starters template that we are going to use in Bootstrap. So here you will see a starter template. Here it is. So copy this starter template, and if we see this starter template, we will see a hello world program. So first of all, let's change the title. Now we need to remove this hello world. To create form like this, we have to create first a heading where it is a welcome back. We will going to use login below heading. So let's create it first. So let me center tag and h1 login below. Let's save it and see the results. So here you can see a login below page. We will going to create completely like this. Just keep watching the video and see the magic. Now we will have to create a form like this. To do this, go to Bootstrap website and go to components and go to forms. Now you will see a first form like this. This form, this will be our basic login form. Now copy this and paste it in login tag. So you might be thinking that we are only copy and pasting the codes from here and there. We are not doing any coding. Yes, you are right, but there is a difference. This video is not for extreme beginners. If you are extreme beginners and you even do not know how to make HTML pages and basics HTML and CSS, then first you need to learn HTML and CSS from YouTube. You can even learn it within one day. So first go there and learn, then came here and watch this video. Or if you have already learned the HTML CSS, then it is a golden opportunity for you. Keep watching the video and see the magic. And if you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Now if you see the preview of this page, it will be something like this. But this is not looking like it because the whole form is made in a small area, which is pretty good. To do this, we also need to have a style in it. So let's first cut this form and create a division tag and make it id is equal to div slash 4. Now let's make it full, and if you again save it, you will see everything same it was in previous. But we now need to do a style tag here, like style width is equal to 50 pixel. Now if I go to this page, you will see that it had been made in 50 pixel, which is very less. So let's create the height is equal to 200 pixels again, and oh, there was some mistake here. Let's save it, and it is also seems to be a very small. Let's make it 500 pixels and see what happens. So we have a good it here in 500 pixel as like this, and now we have to change the submit button width also to 500 pixels. Now change the submit button width to let's inline. I am doing inline CSS styling here, but it is recommended to do it externally. I am just making a video and doing it internally. If you are doing it for a real world or real life project, then you are advised to do it externally. Now type it also 500 pixels, and here we also have a good interface in it. Now clapping for me, because I have created something like this. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. But the work is not done. We need to have some margin from login below, from top, and we also need to add a forgot password button and something like this to change this check me out, and also need to add a header. So first let us add a header. To do this, go to again Bootstrap website and go to navbar component. Now here you can see a good navigation bar here. So let's copy this and let us paste it directly below the opening body tag. Now let's save it and see this. Now you will see that our navigation bar had been created. So let's first customize it. Let's change the navigation bar and home menu. To change this, let's change it to XYZ, add network, or XYZ social networking. Let's suppose it is a social networking website and it has been done here. Now we will change the link and drop down. Link about us, and from drop down menu we have to add more. Let's add a support. Here we will add sign up, and here we will add our other sites. Let's save it and check. Here we can see that home button, about us button, more. On clicking more we will see support, sign up, and our other site menu. Now we also have a disabled button. We currently do not need it, so let us remove it, save it, and it had been removed. So we have just created a navigation bar better than it. Now we will create a forgot password from above the check me out. First we will need the check me out text to be changed. Let's find check me out. We see it here. Here we will type remember me. Now let's save it, and here you will see remember me, but here is no remember me options. We have added it additionally. We will add a forgot password link above the remember me. So to do this, we will add a anchor tag, then href tag, then we will add has here and forgot password. Now we will save it. We have a forgot password text here. It is in center because we have put it inside the center tag. It is looking pretty good and everything is okay. Now we will add a margin from login below. To add some gap here, we will simply add some br tags here, like br. We will add 2 br tag here. So if we load, we will have some gap here. We can also add other br tags here also to have more gap. As many the br tag, as many the gap you will have. I will recommend to use 2 br tags here. So we have completely made a login form. It will also work. and you will need to use PHP to make it fully dynamic. So if you like this video, then subscribe, and the source code of this project are available in the description.